most of the things that we do,
Mm.
it is run by our subconscious mind. I'll give you an example of my client, okay?
Mm.
So this is a serious example, okay? So she is skeptical of her husband, okay, and she thinks that her husband is having an affair. So every time the husband comes home, her default, reaction is to check his bags, to check his phone. And she doesn't want to do it. She tells me, Manisha, I don't want to do it, but I can't control it. It's like, something is pushing me to do it.
Okay.
And I don't know what it is. I
Mm.
just feel like I have to check. And if I don't do it, something will happen. So this itself is subconscious mind thing. Subconscious mind is controlling her. Okay.